Hey everybody, Dennis here. Today we're going to be working on the 2007 Chevy Silverado. As you can see, this is an extended cab, and I got the rear gutted. I got the back seat out and all the trim all the way around. Reason being is for a water leak. These trucks had several issues with water leaks, one being the third brake light, another being a seal in the corner here. There's a little pinhole there, and on mine it's these cab vents. Let me get this camera turned around. On this truck, the corner has already had silicone applied on it by the previous owner, and the third brake light as well. And I gutted the interior just to try to figure out where the water leak was coming from. These corners here on both sides, the corner over there would fill with water. Anyway, I got it gutted and put a water hose on it, and I got water pouring in. I mean pouring in from these. And I'll move the camera around in a minute to show you where the seal is cracked at. Let's see if it'll zoom in. You can see there's the crack. This is behind the cab of the truck, and that's where all the water's coming in at. Now I'm gonna pour some water on there to kind of demonstrate, hopefully, what I was seeing. You can see it's coming down here in the bottom, even at the top. So you get a good heavy rainstorm, and that would fill up the back. Both sides are doing it. So popping them out's easy enough. I think going back together is going to be difficult. Let me show you. I got some original OE ones. There's the part number. They were like 20 bucks a piece with shipping, if I remember correctly. So, popping these out, there are... Actually, let me get the one out of the package and show you. So, let's see. Here's the new one. Hopefully my lighting is good enough. There's two tabs here on the bottom that you kind of push up and pop the bottom out, and they'll go straight down to the ground. And they just hook in up here at the top. And fall straight to the ground. Heard it hit. So here's the bed, and here's the back of the cab. So there's 2 inches of space in between. So I think it's going to be kind of fun. I'm going to try to install this first without doing what I have planned. I guess we'll see what happens. So I'm going to try to just slide it behind the cab and see what happens, if I can get it in that way or not. Actually, I'm going to have to come up from the bottom. There ain't no way to get it from the top. Listen for the click. Here we are. Both of them are that one's in. Let me grab the old one. Oh, you can see. I guess when it fell, that weather stripping that was there at the top actually fell off. So shows you how. I mean, it's brittle. Look at it. It's just coming right off. And it shouldn't be like that. So anyway, I will water test it real fast just to confirm the repair. Not a drop. That's what I like to see. So that takes care of this water leak. I do have to replace my third brake light because it is not working. It's aftermarket one. So before I put all this back together, I'm gonna replace that third brake light and go through a couple rainstorms or something like that and make sure it's all fixed. But that is how you replace the cab vent on this. Is a 2007 Chevy Silverado. Thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and y'all have a great day.